How to stop an app from using too much battery on an Android phone. For example, this phone, which I'm using to film right now, used that camera, the iCSee application. That application was running in the background, and thus the battery was drained. It was at 0%. So to limit the application from using too much resources, when the display is off, swipe down from the top, go to the settings wheel, search for apps, tap on apps, search for the application which you think might drain your battery. In this case it's this one, iCSee. Tap on that one, go to battery and set it to restricted. Restrict battery usage while this app is running in the background. And this is the phone which got discharged, and at battery usage for the iCSee application, it's mentioning not 0% but 115%. It's in Romanian. So this application, iCSee, drained the battery of this phone because it was continuously running in the background. Aplicații. So here at battery usage, utilizarea bateriei, set that one to restricted and back.